So, good evening everyone. So, this is Mila now, ang reyna ng pasaway ngayong gabi. Dito pa sa gitna ng kalsada. O yan, uwi na. Where you want to go? Yan, dito. So guys, lahat ng tao tulog na. Pero si Mila gumagala pa. Then patong dyan sa damuhan. Pag kinagat ka ng lamgam, huwag kang iiyak at hihingi ng tulong sa akin na nagsasayaw yung paa mo na mayroong lamgam. Gabi pa man, hindi ko makita yan, Mila. Sige patong pa dyan. Pag uwi sa bahay, tingnan ko lang. Hey, down there. No, don't go there. Don't go to the grass. You cannot step in the grass. Come here. Don't step there. It's here only. Middle of the road can. Because you are the queen of the road now. Because no car. All people sleep already. What do you want there? So many ants. So, medyo madilim kasi walang ilaw. Sira na naman yung mga ilaw. Mayroon car na parating. Mila, don't run. No, Mila, no running. Okay, it's okay. Because it's turning there. Dungol na talaga si Mila. So, yan. Dito walang ilaw. Oy! Ano naman kinakain mo? Mga dumi dyan. So madilim kasi nasira yung mga ilaw. Let's go. Wala na ganang umuwi si Mila. Kahit gabi na. Nakulang saan naman yan pupunta. Answer? Whoop. You don't know, right? You only know ik. Mila don't know say whoop. Where you want to go? Go home na. So tired. I'm sleepy now. But Mila want to walk. Mila, look at me. Mila. Hey, where you want to go? You don't run. Come here. Uwi na. So guys, thank you for watching.